Khale ke sa rape ababa ni barubi khale ke sa rape juba baba 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 except shout out to Quenis. Sure. Okay. Khale ke sa nyoba sure. Pedirap is too quiet or sa tsebo kare ke mabitleng ke baragishitse packet mo pedi le ba bangwe kare ke mabitleng it's full of underground rappers movie mesh ke mabitleng le bua funerals I'm dropping tombstones yeah ke mabitleng just skim some kamanaka naki poo it's pretty obvious that I'm a bully man too skura kura niki kurishi wa muhuma felele gidi vest naki pala le mru had to take a break so you could win a war. Got a thing to money wise, I play my cards. Yeah, ace that blueprint I won hearts. And with Dimu Pala Baloyi, they said it won last. Nage warra, akili ugili miriri. Utawi bianyago, shoka mariri. You been on my case, utawakiri paniki. Ofare bianyago, chabari beef. And pijale, I'm a pirate, my captain. We are a sissy boy, Samosha to Magartain. Had a conversation. Guaga ka mo listeni ke khanya ka sepedi wa bona nna ke mo pedi like home affairs I made rappers change names won all awards I made rappers hate fame made rappers quarantine yeah I'm a COVID case ngeli butche matotsi bari I bought fame ke mo kopa copra baleje le khaga Baroka FC I'm balling ke mo khaga tsena invested ke jile ka mo khaga biti ke na mela shuwe the most dangerous flow in the province, Limpopo River. No queen of Pedirap, instead Majita Kiri Diva. Ke Wojik Teleja, NWA Kili Nigga. Maloba Xeni Santin, Waraki Binakiba. Bariki Mango, Jibo Tacha Robo. Of course, Kimina Homuka Kokarin Twekitor. Mo Profeta wa Pedirap, Kina de Pono. Kina Po follow Yahoo, Nyari Tokolo. Pudi. Naki Pudi son ki Pudi S.O.P.R.A yeah Pudi Naki Pudi son ki Pudi S.O.P.R.A yeah